This remote right here is our basic 15 channel remote. You can see it has an LDD screen and commands right here. Now you want to start with determining what shutter you're on by using your side arrows. This will change your channels. If you hit your right button, it'll take you up, going all the way up to 15. And then you can use the left button, which will take you down to which particular shutter you want to operate. Once you find the shutter you want to operate, for this instance, we'll say shutter number 3, you can command it with these 3 buttons. You have an up, a down, and a stop. If you hit the down button, the shutter will go all the way down and stop at the down position. Same with the way up. If you hit the up button, it'll go all the way to the top and stop at that position. You do have the option to stop it at any position you want just by hitting this stop button while it's in motion. Now, say you want to change the channel to go to shutter number 7. Once again, we're going to hit the side arrow. We're going to bring it up to 7, and you can remove it right there. That's basically the operations of this 15 channel remote. The last thing to show you would be the battery pack on the back, which is right in here. Once again, it's a relatively easy battery to find. Amazon, Home Depot, Lowe's, right there. And that's your basic functions of a 15 channel remote.